Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the pen tool in Illustrator. Let's jump right in. Activate the pen tool by pressing the letter P on your keyboard or by finding it in the toolbar. With the pen tool selected, you'll be creating anchor points by clicking around your canvas. When you click multiple times and connect back to the first point, it forms a shape. This shape can have a stroke or fill, and you can easily customize those. To make curves with the pen tool, click and drag, which will create handles. These handles adjust the curve. Now, after placing your anchor points, the next tool you'll use is the Anchor Point tool. You can activate it by pressing Shift-C. With this tool, you can click on any anchor point and drag out the handles to create smooth curves. Try to adjust the handles so they move together and stay aligned. This helps ensure your curves look natural instead of bumpy. If your shape still doesn't look quite right, use the Direct Selection tool by pressing A. With this, you can fine-tune each handle and anchor point to get the perfect shape. Sometimes you'll need to move the anchor points around a bit or adjust the handle lengths to get the smoothness you want. And that's it. The pen tool may seem tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be creating smooth and precise shapes in no time. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.